Want some tips and tricks from a caterer? How to elevate your Super Bowl Sunday party? Use these wonderful, sustainable, and organic bamboo cups and boats. Easy breezy, you can find them online. I made a Tuscan white bean and sage dip, which is vegan and delicious, but you can use whatever type of dip that you like. It's your kitchen, it's your rules. To this, I might add a little bit of crispy sage, which I would fry up a couple of leaves from the stalk like this and make them nice and pretty and crisp. You can do that, or you can just put a little fresh leaf on it just to make it pretty and elevated. Then you add in some gorgeous vegetables. Here are some organic asparagus, more of the tip side of it. And then I put them on the end because they kind of hold up the boat, if you will. And then I'll topple in some lovely organic heirloom carrots, just lots of colors, kind of pick and choose the colors that you like. And this is Romanesco, which is in the broccoli family. It has a beautiful coloring. It is very special and it really can elevate the look of your crudité boat. Just pop a few of those in there. And then of course, one of the stars that I love very much, anti-inflammatory, super hydrating Persian cucumbers. You can use English cucumbers. If you don't like cucumbers, don't use them. That's up to you. Whatever vegetables you have, jicama, etc. What a lovely way to serve an extra special Super Bowl crudité. It's not just about the hot dogs and hamburgers, folks. Get your veggies in.